Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Sam from Stereo Warehouse again in Pico Rivera, California. We just replaced this radio head unit for this 2018 Prius base model with the Pioneer DMH 2660 and the Maestro RR module. I just wanted to show you how it looks like. It looks pretty. Screen size a little bit bigger than the factory, and sound quality, of course. And if you want to put the sound system, this is a lot better sound output than the factory, of course. Well, like always, we kept all the factory setting functionality, steering wheel, and there are a couple settings for the vehicle inside that it goes through the factory screen, and also the Maestro module, of course, is gonna take care of those. I just want to show you which options you have here on the vehicle setting. For the first time, it takes a little bit of time to scan all the settings. Basically, it's communicating with the car right now. And we kept the factory USB here for the Apple CarPlay, like the factory radio. Alright, so here what we have. We have the door lock setting, lights, climate, restore factory setting, parking assistant. And we also have advanced setting like cluster auto level on or off or stuff like that, the windows by key. So whatever setting you have on the factory, push it, hold it, whatever. You can turn it on and off or adjust it through the screen of the Pioneer, which is cool. And that's pretty much it. If you have any question about this car, call me at 562-463-0488. And again, this is a Stereo Warehouse in the Pico Rivera, California. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.